So hey everybody, this is Daryl, and I just wanted to do a video about my recent experience with the garage door opener not open. You probably can't see it here, but the back of this garage door opener, I've got a Chamberlain. There's two little lights, one that points up, one that points down. My garage door wasn't opening and it flashed 4 times on the top and 2 times on the bottom, which said there's a current overload. So I just assumed the battery, or I mean the motor went out, but what it actually was, where up here's 2 torsion springs. The one to the right of me here had broken in half and I didn't notice that. I called a friend of mine and said, take a look at that. So if your garage door opener's not opening at all, take a look at that torsion spring first. They're very dangerous. You definitely want a professional to fix it.